our channel.
I'm Nikki.
And I'm Rachel.
And we are the Stitch Sisters. Today's video is all about a new coat that we designed for some upcoming workshops.
But before we get into that, if you could just do us a little favour and click on that little subscribe button below, that would be great.
And the one next to it, that little bell, if you click on that one as well, you get all notifications that we've released a new video, so you won't miss a thing.
Yes, and if you watch to the end of the video and you like what you see, then make sure you give us a thumbs up.
Yay!
So, without further ado, should we talk about coats?
Let's talk coats!
Should we? I know it's crazy. You can see we're sat here in our summer dresses because it's very hot in the UK at the moment. But I think you'd probably like to see them on, wouldn't you?
Oh,
so, shall we put them on?
Do we have to?
Yes.
Do I have to put on a full wool coat?
We have to put on wool coats.
28
We'll
degree
sweat in them
heat.
for just a few minutes so you can see.
Okay.
Should we do it?
We're doing it for you. This is what we're doing, just for you.
All right, back in a sec. Right, so this is how dedicated we are for you in the depths of, no, the height of summer. We're dressed like it's the depths of winter.
Oh.
And, but I have to say they are super cosy.
Yeah,
Clearly,
super
not right
warm.
now, but in the winter we're going to be
Yeah.
really, really grateful for these.
But I am feeling very smug.
Yes,
Because
you're
it's
so
July and I've already made my winter coat. And I think that is a big old tick in the box. I'm very happy.
Yes, now I can't pretend that I would normally have been that organised. This is purely because we're running some workshops.
Yeah.
So we have booked the Bristol Textile Quarter for September the 15th and the 16th. We're running a 2-day coat making weekend where you can come along and make your own version of this coat.
With us, yes.
So we're going to take these off because it's very hot.
Yeah.
And then we're going to post some pictures that show you all of the details.
Yes.
But it's a belted coat. We've not put the belt loops on yet, which is why we're just
belt
popping
comes
those
off.
there. It has this lovely big shawl collar. We're really happy with the shape of the collar.
It's so
It
lovely.
has a set-in 2-part sleeve. It has princess seams on the back. Funky
linings are
yes, it has
clearly optional.
linings. Puffins are definitely optional. It has inseam pockets. And the way we've designed it is to make it doable in 2 days, but it is going to push you a little bit. So there'll be some techniques that maybe you've not done before. So
You need to have done some independent sewing, dressmaking on your own.
Yes.
So that we're not having to hold your hand through absolutely everything.
Yes,
It's
we
not for
will be
newbies.
expecting you to independently cut with just a small amount of guidance to confidently use your machine for us to be able to give you basic instructions and for you to be able to get on with them. Obviously, the more tricky things, we will give you all the help in the world.
Absolutely.
But if you're not able to do those things, then you are going to get a little bit behind and you're not going to get a chance of finishing the coat in those 2 days.
Yes.
But we've purposefully designed it as kind of an intro to coat making. Teaches you some good skills, but there's no welt pockets.
There's no buttons.
There's no 2-piece collar.
No.
There's no buttons or buttonholes. So it's a nice, gentle introduction, and we hope it'll be a really, really fun weekend.
Yes.
So we wanted to do a quick video to tell you all about that, in case you'd like to book. We do only have 3 spaces left, though, so you better be quick. We're thinking of other dates, so we may well put some other dates and possibly other locations in for the future.
Yes.
In the meantime, we've been inundated by people asking if we're going to be releasing the coat as a pattern.
Yeah, we'd love to,
Yes.
but we're not quite there yet.
No.
So we've got a bit of work to do. Our long-term ambition is to have our own pattern range, and it's this
And
kind
this
of thing.
could well be one of them.
Yeah, but it's taking it from this point where we can teach it to a small group of people to actually sending them out as PDFs and things like that.
Yeah,
do some
I
work
think a
on
lot of
it.
people underestimate quite how much is involved in releasing a pattern, even if it's just a PDF pattern. There's a lot of testing that needs to be done. And whilst we're confident drafting patterns and even grading patterns, because we do that for the different sizes of people in our classes, then actually getting that into a PDF format is something that we are working on at the moment. So we hope we'll be able to bring you some better news on that in the meantime. I guess, in short, if you're waiting for the pattern and you have a chance of coming to the class, come to the class. Don't wait for the pattern.
Exactly. It might not be till next year, or, you know, at the very earliest. Really. It's not
if you've got no hope of coming to the class because you don't live in this country or because you don't want to come to Bristol for the weekend, then obviously you can wait for the pattern.
Yes.
But you might be waiting a while.
But we'll get there as soon as we can. Definitely.
Yes, definitely.
It's on the plans.
So it's just a quick video.
Yes.
But we thought we'd leave you with some prancy photos.
Yeah.
These photos were taken on an even hotter day.
we had to wait until about 7 o'clock at night till it was cool enough that we could actually, and we were in the shade.
Yeah.
And even then, I got about 20 pictures in and went, right, that's enough. I'm taking it off. I can't do it anymore.
Nikki even put jeans on to make it look like winter. That's how committed she was.
Jeans and flip-flops.
Yes. we hope you like the design, and we would love it if you want to comment below and tell us what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Help us with our next one. That would be great.
And let us know if you want us to come to a city near you and do some Stitch Sisters on tour.
Oh yeah, we love that, definitely.
We'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.